Oh, right here. That's you, Todd.
Nice, catch it!
Catch it! Get the bird. Good girl. Nice and close.
Stand. Right there.
Right there.
Yeah, right there.
Right there.
Left.
Get it.
Yeah, right there.
Good girl.
I've always wanted to catch one.
I know.
Right there.
Can you feel it in the air? The clouds are rolling in. It's a matter of time. Dark skies and howling winds. The sun is come and gone. What stands will surely fall. Chaos is coming. Chaos is coming down. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain.
There's current. Yeah, actually, just that one.
Up high.
Yeah, that's a good one.
It's probably bandit shooting. They banned teal too.
Technically, they know it. Even coots.
Which is funny to me.
Poor Benelli. She's like, why are we shooting?
Yeah. What the heck?
Again, man, not out of that thing.
You don't think?
No, that thing's. That's like a laydown boat.
Oh. Got a big motor for that little boat.
Well, you saw that roost tail that thing was
Yeah.
throwing. See? Why can't duck hunters all be that polite? Well, I guess I didn't get this spot. I'll let them have it. Bye. Finale, hey, get the place. Finale, place. Get the place.
Cross the lake first.
Yeah, go through the hunt zone, please.
Cruise through danger.
Okay, whoever that dude is, chill dude. I like that guy.
Yeah. That's normal. Like, oh, okay. Like, use other spots to hunt.
I don't know if you saw, but when he saw his, he just, and then that's when he turned around. Waved. All right. Good luck, guys. Oh, right in front.
Oh, behind them. Oh, behind them.
Okay, be ready, Colton. These are gonna be yours. Probably mine at this rate. That's you, Colton. Get him. All behind both times. No bird. Come on, banana. No bird. Hey, look at these big. Okay, bet you can hit these targets.
Okay.
Oh, he's behind us too. Benelli, place. Place. Good girl.
Yeah, like I think Joe said, I think you were touched by that.
It's all you if you want them, Colton. There you go.
On that first girl, I think they were just tucked behind him. And
Yeah.
I think he could have actually waited because when you stood up, they didn't even flare.
Right.
They might have even got a touch close. Total hindsight.
See, that was almost too close. I like them a little further so I have time for a spread.
It looks like that.
Oh, geez, right behind us. What the hell?
It actually picked back out there.
Susie Killer.
And old Susie Q. Here, but no. Bring a bird. Where's the bird? Right here. Right here. Thank you. Alright, thanks. And make it worth it. Oh yeah, those are divers. Any drakes?
That one. That one.
Take it.
Here's another one.
Oh, I got close to that one.
There you go.
Now there went a very expensive diver.
What guy?
I said there went a very expensive diver.
Don't worry, I caught most of the shells with the face to not
Oh god.
You might have got a perfect video too.
No, banana, no bird. I know. We're not doing very good right now, huh? There you go.
Come on, jump off the hood.
Oh, there's it. You never even had the same one.
I didn't want to shoot the head. I want to. Oh.
Yeah, I like how the nails are fine.
There's another one.
Yeah.
Put the same one.
Well, I can assure at least that one's been sprayed very
that
well.
one's dead.
Good job, the nails. Oh, go now.
Yeah. Holding its head underwater. Suffocate the son of a bitch.
Good girl.
Here, Renee. Here, bring a bird. Bring a bird.
Breathe, it's alright.
Here, Renee, here. Here. Duck, please. Duck, please. Where's my bird? Where's my bird?
God, that's a dark one.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Alright, get the bird. Another bird. Get the other bird. Come on. Come on. Good girl.
I think they were kind of working until maybe they started.
Right.
Yeah, that's what I'm
They were
thinking.
pumping up pretty good.
Everything.
Someone's back there.
Good girl.
Back
Good girl. Here. Here. Where's my bird? Where's my bird? Right here. Here. Thank you.
yeah, see, that one's got a lot more glue to it.
You don't want to claim him?
I mean, we both hit
I'll
shot.
trade you a shell for him.
I can take that because I need a gold knife for my count. There you go.
We shot at the exact same time.
Yeah.
To the left, there's
That's all you, Todd?
Kill that.
Oh yeah, good shot.
That was too easy.
Bunch of birds.
I was wondering, me? I was like, why not? That's like perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I was ready. I was just like, okay.
Somebody's getting work today.
Yeah.
Right. Good girl. Oh, come on. You might have to end up the finishing move on that one. Oh, I'm just.
Got him?
Yeah,
Make sure this one doesn't eat.
Yeah.
It is a Susan.
Sure. Looks like an awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, I winged him. Die. Die, duck.
There you went.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go get him, I guess.
Okay.
Golly, what is up with these ducks, dude?
I know.
I guess I'll have you hold the fort. I heard shots. I'm coming.
You need me to guide you in on it, or you're getting pretty good?
I know he's right.
Okay.
Rough here.
Jeez.
Really go. Catch. Good bird. Finale. Good bird.
Can you send Benelli on a bird for me? She's in the boat.
Alright, you want to put my fishing tool on this one?
Yep.
That's a bonus teal I was out.
Nice. That Drake's swimming pretty fast. I might have to go walk in there.
I can. First comes to worst, we just grab the boat.
Yeah. I don't know what my problem is today. I wonder if it's these new shells that I'm shooting.
I think it's these ducks.
Yeah.
This thing is virtually bulletproof.
Well, that thing came in so perfect. Just like 20 yards. Missed the first two shots, and when he was going up and out, I thought I hit him better than I did. Hopefully it just goes and dies on the shore over there.
Ideally. Now we'd go to drive the boat if we see a duck that can't fly. Oh no. Alright, grab my teal.
Yeah, it's on me.
Awesome.
I'll finish off that.
Appreciate it. And I walked over and was like, I don't think the drake would have made it to the water, but I'll double check. Sure enough, stepped up on the edge of that water back there. Two little teal.
Yeah, I saw the other one come out across you.
If you want some twos, I have twos too.
Okay.
Or
I'll let you know.
those were given to me, so if you want to run,
Oh.
try those.
Okay.
It's 4-shot, but it's business, so it should hit like a freaking freight train.
I love using 4s, but apparently I need to switch to 2s.
She found it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Benelli got it. I knew it was around that bush there.
Right.
Like, okay, we gotta be getting close. I told her to hunt it up. And sure enough, she immediately just picked up her nose. Benelli, place.
See?
My camera.
No.
Single broke off. That's a hen.
Kill these 2.
Oh, they flared. Shit. Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
Take those ducks. Two shots, definitely the answer.
Yeah.
You want some?
I'm not bad. I'll shoot the last of these. I was really hoping they would all just center up. We have quite a few close shots.
I was hoping, but... And maybe we could let them work a little more if I'm being honest, but I don't know.
You got to take what opportunities they give you.
Yeah, I was watching them flare as they get closer and closer.
Right. No, I think they did the right thing. Just need some 2-shot. Oh, shoot these bismuth. See, those are...
Oh, yeah. Yeah, if you want to stick with 4, I'd switch to those bismuth.
Yeah. I'll just put it to where my 4s are my first one.
Good girl, Benelli. You are getting tired, little girl. Good girl. Alright, in. In. Come on. Yeah, like I said, I don't think anybody's going to fault you.
Yeah.
But you were very committed in trying to get that duck.
I kind of hope maybe a pheasant flew up. What happened over here? Good shoot.
We've shot lots of ducks wearing Kevlar.
Yeah. I got one broke somewhere on that point. Nothing but a group.
I will say I switched to 2s and they started dropping a lot better.
Yeah, these big northern birds. Big shots.
There's a couple of groups of ducks that were working that I thought you were going to get a shot on.
There was honestly one of those last ones when I was back here. I almost shot, but then like I was over it.
Diggy-doo, diggy-doo.
Oh, someone called me. Why did it just say now? That was weird. That's a butt dialed me.
Me?
Yeah.
Huh? I might have. My boat shelter's getting dropped off.
It's 8:44 and she called me at 8:43.
Oh.
Yep, that's a butt dial. The transcript. Wow, hello. Call apocalypse. Play water call. Never yeah. Nothing will be off. Come on. That's what it means.
How to get apocalypse out of all of that?
Well, that's the transcript. Where it's trying to make text out of it. I don't.
There you go.
Oh, okay. If I can get my feet high enough to get in the
Yeah. Catch your breath.
Yeah. Last time.
Nice shot.
How to catch up to it.
I knew it was coming, so I sat there. Just, oh no! He's pretty well crippled. Look at that. Spinners come out, and guess what happens? Ducks come in.
That one actually, of the three, worked perfectly. Like two were behind me. Okay, there's Keel cooking off for the lesson.
Two big ducks coming right behind.
Keel in front.
Out front.
Yeah.
I don't want to shoot towards the nose.
Yeah.
Over there, that's fine. Yeah, if you want them, all yours.
Now I have to get back with it. Good job, Renee.
You're getting your workout today, dog. All yours. Nice shot.
His head was broken on that one. His head folded over.
Okay, get the bird.
Watch out front, Heels.
All yours.
Let's cut it back over there. The heck with the furry birds all of a sudden. I like it. Wow.
It's the spinners, man. Look at that. The second they go out, birds.
These Keel give me a good shot, they're in trouble. I love Keel.
Oh, you should have been shooting.
I could have shot him over there, but they might come back.
There's another group off to our left
Yeah, I
here.
think that's the same.
Good girl. Here, Benelli. Here. Good girl. Don't want to finish the tool on that one. Now you tuckered out, little girl. Right in front. Sorry, Ruth. Oh, there's three in front though, coming in. Oh yeah.
Oh, you. That's good.
Go for the low one, I'll get to the high one.
Get the bird.
Go down.
My gun was like sideways.
Were you going all gangsta?
I was. I'll try to explain one.
I am really happy I switched to this. That freaking crumpled that bird.
Yep. And the decoys.
Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh, that's the wrong side.
Yeah, that one. I was like, yeah. I realized that now. I was probably way off.
You're getting your workout today, dog. Doing very good. Good girl. Right here. Good girl. Good.
At the left.
Ah. Somebody better shoot that duck. There you go.
Next swing for these.
Yeah, it looks like she went down. You can tell Benelli's like,
Yeah,
Not
a little
again.
slower.
Yep.
Over the point, straight at us.
Oh yeah, they're coming in. I'm gonna take the one right in front of me.
Yeah, Todd, that one's on your side.
Oh, that's a Susie. Nope, Todd, that's you.
Todd.
Look at the feathers.
Oh yeah, he's crumpled. Blop.
Yeah, look at the feathers raining down. That first shot completely
I know.
hammered him.
That was Bismuth. Actually, no, that one was first.
Oh, he's down there for sure.
Head went down.
Oh yeah, he's just sitting there swimming in circles.
Yeah, because like 2 of those shots, there was feathers.
I was like, that's pretty good.
Oh yeah, that duck's dead.
Oh yeah, that one's already dead. Really? No, you already...
Nope,
Yeah,
you got
you've
it.
had enough longer.
Yeah,
to
you've had enough. That one's dead. We'll go get him later.
Mine's head's starting to go down. It's,
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, if we get to a point, we can pull the boat real quick and go make a.
All I got is one more duck myself.
Okay. Yeah, I got one myself to go.
I have 2 left.
I-
I thought I was gonna just
It did.
drop it.
Look at the
on that
feathers
first
out there.
shot. I know.
Oh, yeah.
2 of
That's
those
so
shots
stupid.
hammered it. Just... But that, I've noticed that with the Northern Nine.
They're tough.
They do that.
I love shooting those gadwall. I can shoot those at 40 yards with a 4-shot and they
Yeah.
just crumple. That's what I used to shoot. Duck up front. 2.
Oh, totally shoot this first one again. It's on you.
Is that a Drake?
No, it's not. It's a him.
That was great.
Yeah. No, that's a hen.
What?
I saw the red.
Yeah. Head and fine with him. Come on, Tim. Come back.
What are these 3 on the or 4?
I landed a dead duck.
I'm a little worried about that.
The ones to the left are mine. Definitely a couple breaks in there.
Dang you, merganser.
That was a Drake again. To the right there's something too.
Oh yeah, that's a big group right there.
These mallards might be.
Those almost look like teal.
We got a single mallard cupped up on the left. They're all gonna
Okay,
do
get
it.
ready, Todd. We got birds everywhere.
Right, those are goldies.
Shoot that single.
If he comes in, there he goes.
Good shot.
Well, I'm done.
Good shot.
I like anything on Drake.
Okay, Pintail, come on in.
Yeah. Come
Yeah.
on. What not? Pintail.
Oh, hey, Colton, you know that gold mine?
What gold?
Congratulations on the golden.
Oh, too big butt.
Or Colton pull another canvas back.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big butt.
Look at that giant group up there.
Oh, two red balls. Pintail. I think so.
Vanilla.
Place
Those are
Pinot.
definitely Pintail.
Place Pinot. Oh, too much movement. Good girl.
Big.
I got it. Good girl. Good girl.
When I saw him the first time, I thought the wings were so special. That's what I said.
Big group. There you go. Gotta take those. There you go. Hell yeah. I love the small shotguns. Well, it's up to you now, Colton.
Got one shell left.
I got a half a box of twos.
Yeah, I got lots of threes. I'm gonna throw in some BB just in case.
Yeah. That poor little dog. I can hear.
He's out of that group.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh, out front, four of them.
Oh yeah. Get ready, Colton. Which one's a Drake? That one.
Those are like
There you go.
three of them. I left this one working. Three out of the four of those are big.
Yeah. When I'm looking for drakes, I'm always looking for the one that's different. I'm like, none of them are different. They're all the same.
And right on the edge of the shiny water, that was really
Right.
hard to see which one was dark.
They did it right.
It wasn't until they lifted into the grass, like, oh, it's that one.
That one.
Oh yeah. Get ready.
I'll probably do a sweep again.
Go on in. Here they come. Here they come. Get ready. One closest to Todd. Oh, you got him. No, Finale. Finale. No, come here.
Just trying.
Should be allowed to use color.
No kidding. right.
You're going right by it. It's just that right.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that's that. We can grab the boat real quick and run it down. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Somebody just watch that duck and get the boat ready.
So I think I'll hang out in the clouds, 10,000 feet above the ground. Say you're ready for a new thing. Let's take ourselves up to the sky. Yeah.
There's a heck
I ain't talking about an airplane.
of a haul.